For C preparation. Unit Scientific Learning. Group A. Multiple choice questions. MCQ. 1. How many types of variables are there? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5.
Correct answer B. 3.
2. The variable whose value can be determined by the user is called variable. A. Dependent. B. Independent. C. Controlled. D. Constant.
Correct answer B. Independent.
3. The value depends on other variables and the user cannot determine its value directly is called variable. A. Dependent. B. Controlled. C. Independent. D. Constant.
Correct answer A. Dependent.
4. The variable that is controlled during an experiment is called variable. A. Independent. B. Controlled. C. Dependent. D. Controlled and dependent.
Correct answer B. Controlled.
5. The unit of mass is called a fundamental unit because A. It depends on other units of measurement. B. It does not depend on other units of measurement. C. It is easy to measure. D. It depends only on 2 units of measurement.
Correct answer B. It does not depend on other units of measurement.
6. Identify the group of fundamental units from the following. A. Kilogram, Pascal, meter, second. B. Kilogram, meter, Kelvin, ampere. C. Kilogram, Newton, Pascal, watt. D. Meter, second, Newton. Watt.
Correct answer B. Kilogram. Meter, Kelvin, ampere.
7. Which of the following is the group of derived units? A. Meter, second. Pascal, Newton. B. Pascal, Newton. Meter per second squares. C. Kelvin. Meter, kilogram, second. D. Kilogram, Kelvin. Pascal, Newton.
Correct answer B. Pascal, Newton. Meter per second squares.
8. Identify the fundamental units involved in the unit watt. A. Kilogram, meter and second. B. Kilogram, meter and centimeter. C. Kilogram, meter and Kelvin. D. Kilogram, meter and Newton.
Correct answer A. Kilogram, meter and second.
9. Which of the following are the fundamental units involved in the unit of pressure? A. Kilogram per meter second square. B. Kilogram meter square per second square. C. Gram per meter second square. D. Kilogram per meter cube.
Correct answer A. Kilogram per meter second square.
10. Identify the physical quantity related to the given units. 1. Kilogram, meter square, per second cube. 2. Kilogram, meter, per second square. A. 1. Power. 2. Pressure. B. 1. Pressure. 2. Power. C. 1. Force. 2. Pressure. D. 1. Pressure. 2. Force.
Correct answer A. 1. Power. 2. Pressure.
11. In a research question, what is the effect of heat in solubility of sugar? Identify the independent and dependent variable. 1. Temperature of water, degree C. 2. Amount of sugar that can dissolve completely in water, in gram. 3. Amount of water, 100 gram. 4. Temperature of sugar. A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3. C. 2 and 1. D. 3 and 4.
Correct answer A. 1 and 2.
12. A variable that measures the effect that manipulating another variable has is known as A. A dependent variable. B. A confounding variable. C. A predictor variable. D. An independent variable.
Correct answer. A. A dependent variable.
13. Dependent variable is also called A. Experimental variable. B. Responding variable. C. Joule. D. Mass.
Correct answer. B. Responding variable.
14. A farmer applies different fertilizer to his cotton crops to see which will make his plants grow the highest. What is the independent variable? A. Different cotton crops. B. Heights of plants. C. Type of fertilizers. D. Growth of plants.
Correct answer. C. Type of fertilizers.
15. The standard unit for measuring the frequency of sound wave is A. Meter per second. B. Newton. C. Meter. D. Hertz.
Correct answer. D. Hertz.
16. Which of the following has the same unit in CGS and MKS system? A. Density. B. Distance. C. Time. D. Mass.
Correct answer. C. Time.
17. In the experimental method, the variable which is under control of an experimenter is A. A dependent variable. B. A confounding variable. C. A predictor variable. D. An independent variable.
Correct answer. D. An independent variable.
18. I will lose extra fat if I run extra hours. The two variables, amount of fat lost and hours of running. Which is the dependent variable? A. Amount of fat lost. B. Hours of running. C. Both A and B. D. None of these.
Correct answer. A. Amount of fat lost.
19. What is independent variable? A variable that is constant throughout the experiment. B. Variable that can be changed. C. Variable that responds to change. D. Variable that is obtained after an experiment.
Correct answer. B. Variable that can be changed.
20. What is dependent variable? A. One variable that remains constant throughout the experiment. B. One variable that does not remain constant throughout the experiment. C. One variable that depends upon other variable in an experiment. D. One variable that does not have relation to other.
Correct answer. C. One variable that depends upon other variable in an experiment.
21. Which variables are called left variables? A. All variables. B. Controlled variables. C. Independent variables. D. All dependent variables.
Correct answer. D. All dependent variables.
22. Why is the independent variable called the x variable? A. Its value can be changed continuously. B. Its value responds to changes. C. It is placed on the y-axis in the graph. D. It is placed on the x-axis in the graph.
Correct answer. D. It is placed on the x-axis in the graph.
23. What are the units with independent existence called? A. Physical quantity. B. Fundamental quantity. C. Fundamental unit. D. Derived unit.
Correct answer. C. Fundamental unit.
24. In the given equation S is equal to Vt, where S means displacement, V means velocity and T means time, which of the following options proves its validity? A. Meter is equal to meter per second square. B. Meter is equal to meter second x second. C. Meter is equal to kilogram x second. D. Meter is equal to meter per second x second.
Correct answer. D. Meter is equal to meter per second x second.
25. Arya says, there are many variables in an experiment. L says, yes. There are multiple controlled variables in an experiment. Then Pooja replies that there is only one dependent variable and only one independent variable in an experiment. Who is correct or incorrect? A. Arya is correct but L and Pooja are incorrect. B. L is correct but Arya and Pooja are incorrect. C. Arya, L and Pooja are correct. D. Pooja is correct but Arya and L are incorrect.
Correct answer. C. Arya. L and Pooja are correct.
26. Which fundamental units of following represents the proper relation for Newton? A kilogram per meter square per second square. B. Kilogram meter square per second. C. Kilogram meter square second square. D. Kilogram meter per second square.
Correct answer. D. Kilogram meter per second square.
27. Which of the following is a derived unit? A. Kilogram. B. Second. C. Kelvin. D. Newton.
Correct answer. D. Newton.
28. Which fundamental units of following represents the proper relation for joule? A. Kilogram meter square per second square. B. Kilogram meter square per second. C. Kilogram per meter square per second square. D. Kilogram per meter square second square.
Correct answer. A. Kilogram meter square per second square.
29. Which of the following is an example of a variable in scientific research? A. The color of the laboratory walls. B. The size of the experiment table. C. The time it takes for a plant to grow. D. The number of people present in the room.
Correct answer. C. The time it takes for a plant to grow.
30. In a scientific study, which type of variable is intentionally changed or manipulated by the researcher? A. Independent variable. B. Control variable. C. Dependent variable. D. Extraneous variable.
Correct answer. A. Independent variable.
31. What is the unit for measuring time in the International System of Units? C. A. Liter. B. Second. C. Kilogram. D. Pascal.
Correct answer. B. Second.
32. What is the unit for measuring temperature in the International System of Units? C. A. Kelvin. B. Celsius. C. Fahrenheit. D. Gram.
Correct answer. A. Kelvin.
33. Which of the following is an example of a control variable in a scenic experiment? A. The amount of water given to plants. B. The type of fertilizer used in farming. C. The height of the experimental apparatus. D. The temperature of the laboratory room.
Correct answer. D. The temperature of the laboratory room.
34. The variable that we control is called A. Dependent variable. B. Independent variable. C. Controlled variable. D. Constant variable.
Correct answer. C. Controlled variable.
35. In the plant experiment, the growth of the plant is A. Independent variable. B. Dependent variable. C. Controlled variable. D. Both A and B. Correct answer. B. Dependent variable. 36. What are the three fundamental units of C system? A. Meter, kilogram and second. B. Meter, gram and second. C. Centimeter, gram and minute. D. Kilometer, kilogram and second.
Correct answer. A. Meter, kilogram and second. 37. Which of the following physical quantity has its unit joule? A. Work. B. Energy. C. Both A and B. D. Power. Correct answer. C. Both A and B.
38. Which of following physical quantity has its unit meter per second? A. Acceleration. B. Velocity. C. Force. D. Work.
Correct answer. B. Velocity.
39. Which of the following unit is derived unit? A. Newton. B. Meter. C. Second. D. Kilogram.
Correct answer. A. Newton.
40. Which of following physical quantity has unit Newton? A. Acceleration. B. Speed. C. Force. D. Density.
Correct answer. C. Force.